In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a resume in Canva, using the latest tools and features so your CV looks clean, modern, and professional. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. On the home page, go to the search bar at the top and type Resume. Canva will instantly show you a wide range of resume templates. Take a moment to scroll through the options. You'll see different styles, from minimalist and corporate to creative and colorful designs. Think about the kind of job you're applying for and choose a template that matches that tone. When you find one you like, click on it. Then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the template opens, you'll see sample text and placeholder information. Start by clicking on the name at the top and replace it with your full name. Then, update the title or job role right underneath, such as graphic designer or marketing specialist, so employers can immediately understand who you are professionally. Next, move to the contact section. Replace the dummy details with your own email address, phone number, city or region, and any relevant links like your portfolio or LinkedIn profile. Make sure everything is accurate and spelled correctly, because this is how recruiters will reach you. Now, begin editing the main sections of the resume. Start with your summary or objective. Click the text and write 2 to 3 concise sentences that describe your experience, core skills, and what type of opportunity you're looking for. After that, move to the experience section. Update each job title, company name, and date range. Under each role, list your key responsibilities and achievements, focusing on measurable results where possible. If you need more or fewer entries, you can duplicate or delete text boxes to match your own work history. Then, customize your education section with your school names, degrees, and graduation dates. Adjust the skills section by replacing the placeholder skills with ones that are truly relevant to the job you're applying for. You can also edit colors and fonts in the Canva toolbar to match your personal brand. But keep everything easy to read and consistent. When you're happy with the layout and content, click on the Share or Download button in the top right corner. Choose PDF print or a high-quality PDF format, then download it to your device. Your resume is now ready to send to employers or upload to job sites, all created quickly and professionally in Canva.